A few days ago, someone asked me to make a Wuhan noodle recipe. In Chinese, they're called热干面, which means hot and dry noodles. After some research, I learned that these noodles are very popular in Wuhan. They are generally sold in takeaway boxes. From early morning, there are queues at the vendors. Many customers eat them for breakfast. This dish has two specificities. The noodles must be firm to the tooth. The Italians would say al-dente, and they are well seasoned, particularly with the sesame sauce. After many tries, I show you my Wuhan noodles version. A day or two before, prepare a jar of pickled green beans. We will only use 100 grams for the recipe. Blanch 500 grams of frozen or fresh green beans in boiling water for 2 minutes. Drain them. Put them in cold water to keep them crunchy. Drain them. In a mixing bowl, put 40 grams of salt, 40 grams of sugar, 50 centiliters of boiling water. Combine. Prepare 25 centiliters of white rice vinegar. Add it and mix. In a jar, put the green beans, some hot chilies, the vinegar mixture. Close the jar and let it sit for 24 hours at room temperature, then in the fridge. We will be able to eat it for weeks. To easily make fresh homemade noodles, I invite you to watch my video to learn how to make them. Combine 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We will use it to oil the noodles. Cook 700 grams of fresh noodles. Proceed by half. Put the noodles in a large pot of boiling water heated over high heat. Stir a little bit to prevent the noodles from sticking to the bottom. The cooking time for the fresh noodle is very short. As soon as they come up to the surface, take them out. It takes about 1 minute. Spread them on the workboard. Pour over the mixture of oils. Stir them with a pair of chopsticks and dry them in the wind with a fan for 20 minutes, then in open air. This drying allows to get the right texture. Meanwhile, prepare the seasoning sauce. Put in a small pan 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of Szechuan pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 star anise, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf. Roast them over low heat. Regularly stir. As soon as it starts to smell good, add 20 centiliters of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Let simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Then cut the fire and let infuse while continuing the preparation. Now prepare the sesame sauce. Roast 30 grams of sesame seeds over low heat. Regularly stir. As soon as they start to be golden, turn off the heat and continue to stir for another 30 seconds. Let them cool for 5 minutes. Blend them. Put them in a bowl. Add 5 centiliters of vegetable oil. Mix. Take about 100 grams of pickled green bean. Cut them into chunks. Mince a spring onion. Filter the seasoning sauce. Add half teaspoon of ground pepper. Combine. Everything is ready. We can prepare the bowl for each guest. Put a portion of noodles in boiling water for 7 seconds. Put them in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of seasoning sauce. One tablespoon of sesame sauce. Mix. Add chili oil for those who love it. A little dry salted cabbage. Mix. Top with 1 tablespoon of pickled green bean, 1 tablespoon of spring onion. Each guest mixes her bowl. And bon appétit! This Wuhan noodle bowl is very fragrant. Pickled vegetables go well with noodles. Other vegetables may also be welcome, such as carrots, white turnip, peppers. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.